What's up, y'all? I picked up a new sponsor to the channel called OUTPEAK, O-U-T-P-E-A-K. They sent me this nifty little box. What's in the box? It's an LED light. What'd you expect? We like LED lights. So, right to it. But I gotta tell you, all the manufacturers are using these zip-in boxes with their logo or branding on there, which is very smart, very good. So we got two layers here. Okay, this is going to be interesting. That's the light that I'm after. This case, I like the case. I think it's a great idea. This is probably just going to go straight into my camping gear box, just like this. So these are called candy string lights, and they're going to be pretty long. I can tell you that right now. Here's the deal: you can buy this separate. You can buy just the light, or you can buy the kit that's got the light and the candy string lights. All right, so let's see what else is in here. Lanyard. What is it, millennials or X-Gen? It's just really into the lanyards. Y'all carry your keys on your lanyards and stuff. But here's a lanyard with a nice little beaner clip on the end of it. You get a cable, and check this out. I like this. I wish everybody was doing this. Why aren't they doing this? USB old style, 1992. 3 of them. You got your Apple iPhone, your USB-C, and your micro or mini, whatever that little small one is. This one cable right here, 1 meter in length, covers everything that you're going to need for any individual device. This is brilliant. Thumbs up, OUTPEAK. Very nice. And then they also offer us another, I know what it is. Homework. This will clip on the light so you can hang it by the beaner. We'll get more into the light soon, but that's what that's for. And support it and balance it like that if that's what you want. This has a lot of options. More thought went into that. What does that tell you? That tells you they're taking their time, they're not rushing a product, and they're thinking about everything. Cables and this little doodad Uzi thing. Let's get the details out of the way. And all this will be in the description, and it's also on the Amazon website. 10,050 milliamp hours. So I'm looking at the size of this, and I'm guessing there's probably 2 of those rechargeable cells. What are they? 8160s, 71 240s. I don't know. I forget what it's called. But there's probably 2 of them in there. 0.62 pounds. A little bit over half a pound for this light. IP67 waterproof. It's got a magnet on the end that will stick. Oh, don't do it on there because it sticks. It sticks. See that? I don't know if you can see that. Automotive repair. Duh. Camping. Duh. Seeking help in emergency cases. The bag, I like. The light, we're going to get into that. But here's what's cool. The light has a button on the back, flashlight on here. So your first push is your flashlight. This is what I would call equivalent to one of the old mini mag lights. Remember those? It had like the 2 AA batteries in it. This is strong enough. Here, I'll get you some lights off. This is strong enough for any purpose of working around your car, campsite, in your house, emergency to find stuff, and it spots far enough away. Very adequate. It's not too bright, it's not too strong, it's not too weak. Next push, we go into the 100% full white light, and notice it is only on 180 degrees of this. I like that because nothing is worse than being blinded by light when you're out at a campsite. Next push, We got a 50% light. That's usually good for most stuff once your eyes acclimate to the dark when you're camping. Then you got this, which is the warm light. Warm light. That's probably about 2,000 on the Kelvins. That's almost orange. That'd be good for Halloween, right? Then you go into the blinking red light. In the description, they're calling it an SOS. SOS in translation probably means emergency. This is not Morse code. ... dash, dash, dash. ... Easy for you to figure out on your own. The other end, you got your switch. On the switch right here, and I'll get you a close-up of that, they're claiming that's a glass breaker. I got news for you. If that breaks a glass, it's going to break this whole flashlight because you're going to be hammering it on like that. I don't think that's strong enough. Unscrew this off. Took me a while to figure that out because it wasn't clear in the description. Right here at the end, we've got our USB-C and the USB, I guess it's the A, old style ports. You've got a button on it, which is transmitted through that red waterproof button. It's got 3 indicators on there telling you the charge of the battery. But the only way to get that is you got to plug something in. So here we go. Hit the switch, and we got lights. You know where I'm getting ready to go right now. This isn't for me. I would not put these up at my campsite. If someone else picks it up, I'm going to keep my mouth shut. But that's just my opinion. This is kind of novelty. A lot of children like these around their beds. Oh, this thing's long. So we're going to figure out how long this is. See what I'm doing? I'm powering it up by this light. Anything you plug this that has USB power, whether you plug this into your laptop, your desktop, your plug-in next to your bathroom sink if you plug in or recharge there, this will do it. And then there's a little switch on here that you can get different features. I lost focus. Okay, let's get a measurement. 25. Without a tape measure, you got 30 feet of these disco balls. And watch the different little settings. Watch the different little lights. All I'm doing is pushing that button there. It's not that I don't like them, it's just not something I would buy for myself, would you say? Push the button again. You've got a million different colors, flashing, slow flashing, random zipping. There's a million and 2 things you can do with this. But wait, that's not all. There's an app that you can download that will control these. Now that's getting a little cool if you're into these type of lights, right? And that app and the instructions here eats up more than half of the instructions for the light. The light's pretty self-explanatory if you have any lights as far as working it. There's not a whole lot to it. There's no moving parts really on it other than a switch. Flashlight, 17 hours. Full bright white. And the full bright warm light, you're going to get 14 hours. The red blinking LED, you're going to get 60 hours. And the other one that I missed or skipped, half bright, you're going 40 hours on that. So you're going to get a lot of usage out of this. Let me tell you a couple of things that I like. I like the magnet. You gotta have a magnet on lights today. I like the flashlight ability to have the flashlight there. Look at that. You can have the flashlight on. You can have these lights on. Let's go 50%. And these plugged into it and going all crazy all around you. I like that's only halfway lit because what I do is being an electrical contractor, master electrician, lighting designer, I like at the campsite, I like setting this down on the ground and let it reflect out. let my eyes adjust to the darkness in the natural sky and see the Milky Way. We see the Milky Way in Utah. I like having indirect lighting. I like using reflective lighting off of another surface to light up the area I'm at, where it's not blinding you from looking right into the light. There's a couple of little lanyard holes on here where you could probably thread a loose end of a lanyard in there, give you another option for tying, hanging, supporting this. USB-C, welcome to 2024. Waterproof, heavy duty. I like it. The fact that you can recharge a buttload of devices off of this because of the big battery, that can help you out. Would I take this hiking? Absolutely, I would take it hiking. Just as an emergency tool, shove it in the backpack, and off I go. I like the box. Sweet deal. Thank you so much. I like the cables. I like the little ring there. This, I don't think I'll ever use. But 30 feet and all the features in the app, go for it, man. Your kids will love this. Now, two things that I don't really care for. That's why they come to me. That's why I get product, because they want my honest opinions. The app, I would not download an app. That's me. 2024, I have learned over the last 4 to 10 years, don't download apps. They're tracking you and everything you do, and it's none of their business. Privacy. No more trusting anybody. Anybody know how, no way, know what. I don't need an app. There's enough features just off that switch. And if you read this, it probably got you, double tap, triple tap, quadruple tap. I have no idea. But the app, I would not do. The other thing is, and this is up to you, I don't think this is worth the price. Either as a single kit for both of them, I think it's pricey. And for just the light alone, I don't think it's worth the price that they're asking. I don't have a problem with the product or the build or the features, but the price on a value perspective of what you can get for the same money or 50% less, that's where this should be. Both of them should be. That's it, man. Hope you liked the review. Please subscribe. Hopefully we'll get more of these for you. I'm out of here. See ya.